A2315. So adjoint of A is equals to A11, A12. A12 will come here, A21 and A22. Now next, how we will find out A11, A12? A1 Aij is equals to minus 1 whole power I plus j Mij formula. So Mij is the minor minor of the particular element, excepting the particular row and particular column. The remaining element is going to be Mij. So for A11, excepting the first row and first column, remaining element is 5. So 5 should be taken here, and the 2 minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1, that is plus 1. Next, A12 for the second element, excepting the first row and the second column, this 1 should be taken. 1 is as usually taken here, and the 2 minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 minus 1 whole power 3, that is minus. Coming to A21, A21, A21 second row first column, deleting these 2, this 3 is remaining here. The 3 can be taken, and the 2 minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2, that is 3 minus 1 whole power 3 minus 1, so minus 3 it is. And last A22, excepting second row and second column, the remaining element is 2. The 2 should be taken, minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 minus 1 whole power 4, that is plus 1 into 2 is 2 itself. So these elements are to be written here: A11, A12, A21, A22, 5 minus 1 is coming for A12, A21 minus 3, A22 is 2. Coming to the major, now try to understand try to understand directly. We will say how it will come. Any 2 by 2 matrix is taken, A11, A12, A21, A22. By finding this way, A11, A12, A13 to A21, A22 and so on, it is taking little lengthy by keeping each and everything here. But adjoint of A is equals to A11, A12, A21, A22, and we are finding A11 like this, and minus 1 whole power 2 M11. M11 is going to be excepting first row and first column, A22. A22 is here, and for A12, excepting first row and second column, A21, A21 that too with minus. Next A21, A21 excepting first column and second row, A12 will remain. So A12 that too with minus. Now coming to the next, A22, A22 accepting second row and second column, A11 is to be taken, that too with plus. This, and keeping each and everything here, first element A11 cofactor is going to be A22, A21 cofactor is minus A12, A12 cofactor is minus A21, A22 cofactor is A22 is A22. Now the same thing can be taken directly. A adjoint of A is equals to A11, A12, A21, A22, and this A11 and A22 are to be interchanged. So here word is written here, interchange both A11 and A22. And next, keep this A12 and A21 as usual, change the sign. If plus is there, keep it minus. If minus is there, keep it plus. Now finally we see adjoint of A, interchanging of A1, A11, A22. So A22 will come here, A12 will come here. Next, changing of the sign for these two elements, minus A12, so minus will come here, A21 will become minus A21. Coming to understand with the examples, A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4 as the matrix. Now we require adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, 1 and 4 are interchanged. So 4 will come here, 1 will come here. change the sign for these two elements. So 2 and 3 are there, keep it -2 and -3, -2 -3. Coming to the next, B, 2 -3 5 -4, adjoint of B is equals to 2 and -4 are interchanged, so -4, 2, -3 is here, keep it +3, +5 is there, keep it -5. Okay? This is your adjoint of B and this is your adjoint of A.